Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I am so excited. Right now, what are you doing?
Just showing off your top.
Thanks. It kind of goes with this in one way. I am so excited. This just came. And I had another video set for today, but now instead I'm going to have that one be my Saturday video because I had to get this one out. I am so excited about this. I do not know how I didn't find out about this like ahead of time, because normally I would think I would, but I didn't. And don't worry, it's not as dangerous as it looks.
I got 911 on speed dial already on the other phone. So.
I'm just so excited. This is a brand new bag, and okay.
Pam, how did you get stabbed there? Well, let me tell you a little story. I was trying to open a box and
I even have my pajamas on. I'm so sorry, but I had to show you. So, I opened this up. And if you can see, just showing the box, the bag. It's from Marc Jacobs. And you may already know what this is if you found out about it, because I didn't find out about it till the day that it dropped. But I got.
So is the color of the box foreshadowing a little?
No.
Oh. Not even a yellow?
I guess.
All right.
I got the Wizard of Oz Marc Jacobs collab bag. So I was so good. I only got one thing, and it was this, at least so far. Here's the side, the back, the other side, the bottom even has poppies all the way through
Poppies.
it. Look, I am, oh.
So the only character is the dude with the green melon?
Yeah, the wizard.
Wow.
But I know it was hard.
interesting.
It was hard to pick because there was a lot, but I was trying to be good. Christmas is coming. I can maybe ask for more. But I'm tearing this off because I'll show you the inside
I think
too.
you're on the naughty list.
I am not on the naughty list.
Oh, I'm pretty sure.
This leather feels different than the other leathers do. Really? How would you know how they stop? Okay, so this one, oh, here's the little tags. It says the Wizard of Oz. And then it's got a zipper. And then it's got its dust bag. And all the stuffing. And that was the strap. I think the strap is just black. It's just black. Looks like it's just black. This is how I'm at Christmas too. I'm like a little kid. When I open my stuff, I get really excited. Okay, yeah. Looks like the strap is just plain black, pebbled black. And then let's look inside.
So like a cocoa pebble.
Oh, is that ever neat? So the inside is actually just black as well, but look at the pocket. Can you see the placard on the pocket?
We can. The Wizard of Oz, Marc Jacobs, with an X.
Oh my gosh. So take that off of there and this off of here so you can wear it crossbody or hand carry it. But, yeah, this is it. I was so excited to get it that I don't care if I'm in my pajamas. I don't care. This is just so awesome. Let's look at it again. Here's the front. Again, the side matches the, took the wrapping off there.
Got some more wrapping on that side.
Yeah. But there's the back. Again, the poppies on the bottom.
No feet though? Or there are
No
feet?
feet.
No feet?
No
Okay.
feet. And
Couldn't
then the
tell
yellow,
with all the poppies.
the yellow brick road. I did not get the other ones. And let me tell you why. On the ones that I saw, most of the time, it was the back side of everybody. And my favorite character by far in The Wizard of Oz is the Tin Man. I love the Tin Man. Probably doesn't hurt that I love Jack Haley and
Not Buddy
who
Ebsen.
played the Tin Man. Buddy Ebsen's nice too, but I like Jack Haley better. And so because they didn't have any bags like this that completely focused on him in a way that I liked, I didn't get it. I almost got, it was the one I almost got, the denim one. It's one I may ask for Christmas from somebody. And it has them all in black and white. It's got like Dorothy and the Tin Man. It shows up pretty good, but not in color. But then again, it's kind of like a grayish. So that is kind of the color he is, the silver. So that may be the next one. But I thought this was just so quintessential Wizard of Oz that it's the one I chose. And if you go on the website, there are so many cute things with this. There's the little belt bag. They have little wallets, denim bags with the whole cast on them. Well, not the whole cast, but you know, the major players. And
Is Aunt Em on there?
no, I was just super.
Flying monkeys.
No, I was just so excited. I had to show you. So sorry to be in my pajamas, but it couldn't be helped. I had to rip this open like a kid on Christmas. Like how this is even
Those
dark
are your
green.
Where's James pajamas.
Yeah, I thought this reminded me of the Wizard of Oz, the Witch's Socks. Only hers are black and white. But
Well, hopefully a house won't fall on you.
yeah, I hope not. Yeah, I just got out of the shower too. Yeah, sorry, I'm so excited. So this is really what I have for you today. This is all I have.
Unfiltered and raw.
Right, when you see my video on Saturday, I'll say something about my book Thursday being coming up, but really it's tomorrow. So
It's already passed.
it's right. By the time you see, I just love this. By the time you see this, I love The Wizard of Oz. I was going to bring down my other
Favorite movie of all time?
Yeah, I was going to bring down my other Wizard of Oz bag from Coach, but I wanted to do this here because I wanted to do it now. It just came and I didn't even want to run back upstairs or nothing else. So love The Wizard of Oz. Love this. And check it out if you haven't already, the Marc Jacobs website. Yeah, so yeah, I normally get excited over bags. I know I do, but The Wizard of Oz is just, oh.
She's glowing like a red ruby slipper.
It's like the most, this couldn't have came on a better day for me. So this really amped up my spirits a lot. And I couldn't wait to show everybody. You guys are like my friends, so I had to show you. So that's what I have for you today.
So it's Casual Wednesday?
It's Pajama Wednesday.
Oh. Okay.
If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then every other Thursday I do a book video. So there will be one tomorrow. If you haven't already found me over on social media, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Put out reels over there every week showing you my bag of the week and the SLGs I'm using in it. And occasionally I do match my outfit to my bag. And when I do, a lot of
That's
times...
not on purpose, though.
Right. When I do, then I'll take a picture and we'll put it out there too. So I do that on occasion. But yeah, I really wanted everyone to see this. Like I said, I didn't know till the day of, and I had some other YouTube friends let me know about this, Winnie.
Because they know it's her jam.
Yeah, Winnie and Dawn were talking about it, and
Poppy.
I'm sure Autumn did. Yeah, so I was so excited. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. I won't go on any further in my pajamas talking to you. So I'll just say, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I'm going to show them your slippers now.
No.